Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm making a protein and iron rich soup today, Dal Spinach Soup. I forgot to tell my name, Kavita Prashad. And I'm making a lot of baby food recipes and kids lunchbox ideas on this channel. Please have a look at them after watching this video. It will be really beneficial if you are a parent with younger kids. So let's move on and see how to make this Dal Spinach Soup, which can be given to 8 months and above babies. To begin with, I am taking a pressure cooker or a pan you can take as well and adding heat to it. I'm adding cumin seeds, spinach leaves, rinsed and chopped fine, fry it for about 1 or 2 minutes until the raw smell goes and it's partially cooked. We'll add Masoor Dal now. You can take any lentil of your choice. Masoor Dal and Moong Dal are easily digestible and good for younger babies. So I have taken Masoor Dal here. Rinse it and then add it. And now I'm adding water. The measurement of all the ingredients is given in the description box. The link of the blog is also there, so you can have a look there. I'm now adding turmeric powder. A pinch is the only requirement. For video purposes, I have added a little more. We will give it a quick stir, allow it to boil. I'm now adding salt. This is optional and only for babies above 1 year you need to add this. If you are pressure cooking it, you will need it to cook till 3 whistles. If you are cooking it in a pan or a bowl, you will need it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and keep an eye on it. And if you soak the lentil, much better, it cooks very quickly. Cool and open it to check the readiness of the lentil and spinach. Spinach would obviously be cooked quickly, but lentils you have to keep an eye. So you will now pass it to the blender jar and you can mash and serve it for younger kids, or if you have already introduced texture. Otherwise, blend it smooth and serve it in your kids' favorite bowl. Few things to be kept in mind, like you can use any dal of your choice, adjust spices as needed. Thickness is very important, not thin for babies. Dal Spinach Soup. Hope you like this recipe as I requested earlier. Please don't forget to go and watch other videos of ours, and we are a parenting channel, a channel where lots of kids and baby food recipes do come in. So subscribe to our channel so that you get updates of all our future videos. Thanks again. Bye-bye.